How to update any graphics card on Windows 10. So let's get started. Firstly, click Start, then type Device Manager and simply click on Open option available there. Now, click Display Adapters from the option available there, and once you click on Display Adapters, select your graphics card. Now open the Driver tab, click Update Driver and select Search automatically for updated driver software. Or you can select Browse My Computer for driver software to choose a driver that you have already found and download it. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer option available there. Now click Have Disk, browse to navigate to the folder that contains the new driver and click Next. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.